What if I told you Nvidia is about to change the entire AI landscape? What if I told you the next big leap is already here? Nvidia is leading the charge with their revolutionary Rubin Ultra and Feynman AI chips, set to transform industries like healthcare, autonomous driving, and space exploration. Let's explore how these powerful chips are shaping the future of technology. At Nvidia's GTC 2025 conference in San Jose, CEO Jensen Huang unveiled groundbreaking innovations that are set to change how we use artificial intelligence. The standout announcement was the Rubin Ultra GPU, a powerful new chip that will take AI and machine learning to new heights. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a major leap forward in computing power. The Rubin Ultra chip is built to meet the needs of advanced AI models. But what makes it so special? For starters, this chip delivers an incredible 50 petaflops of FP4 inference performance per chip, meaning it can process data incredibly fast. When you use this chip in a fully equipped NVL144 rack system, it's expected to provide a staggering 3.6 exaflops of FP4 inference compute. That's more than 3 times more powerful than Nvidia's previous system, Blackwell Ultra. This kind of performance is a game changer for AI applications. It allows for faster data processing and better efficiency, making it easier for AI models to handle more complex tasks. The Rubin Ultra is not just a technical achievement, it's a sign of how far AI is advancing, and it shows Nvidia's commitment to staying ahead in the AI race. Whether in research, business, or everyday technology, the Rubin Ultra is going to power the next wave of AI innovation. Now, let's dive into what makes this innovation even more powerful. The Rubin Ultra is paired with a specially designed CPU called the Vera CPU. This CPU is built to impress, featuring 88 custom ARM cores that manage an incredible 176 processing threads. When combined with the Rubin Ultra GPU, this setup enables seamless communication between the components, speeding up data processing and making everything run more smoothly and efficiently than ever before. But that's not all. Nvidia is already looking ahead. As impressive as the Rubin Ultra is, the company has also announced the upcoming Vera Rubin Ultra, which will be released in 2027. This next-gen GPU will be even more powerful and will push AI performance to new levels. The Vera Rubin Ultra is expected to deliver a massive 15 exaflops of FP4 inference compute power, along with 5 exaflops of FP8 training performance. This makes it 4 times more powerful than the Rubin Ultra, and it's going to change the way we think about AI technology. With the Vera Rubin Ultra, AI will reach even higher speeds, enabling more complex models and faster processing. Whether it's for research, business, or advanced AI applications, this GPU will play a crucial role in driving the next generation of AI development. Nvidia's vision of AI's future is becoming clearer, and these powerful GPUs are setting the stage for incredible breakthroughs. What's even more impressive about these advancements is Nvidia's vision for the future. The Vera Rubin Ultra and Rubin Ultra chips aren't just designed to make AI faster. They're preparing us for a world where AI can handle much more complex tasks. These chips are paving the way for a future where machines can process and understand data in ways we've never imagined before. Think about the possibilities. These chips could help self-driving cars navigate more safely by processing data faster and more accurately. They could assist in medical research by analyzing massive amounts of data to find new treatments or detect diseases earlier. They could even help scientists study space by analyzing data from distant planets, stars, and galaxies with incredible speed and precision. The potential applications are endless, and these chips are set to make a huge impact in all these areas. Nvidia's focus isn't just on improving the speed of AI, it's about enabling AI to take on the most difficult and complex problems that we face. With the Vera Rubin Ultra and Rubin Ultra chips, AI will be able to process massive amounts of data in real time, making it more effective in industries like healthcare, autonomous vehicles, and even space exploration. These chips are the key to unlocking the full potential of AI and will play a major role in shaping the future of technology. Looking into the future, Nvidia's powerful new GPUs, like the Rubin Ultra and Vera Rubin Ultra, are designed to meet the increasing demands of artificial intelligence. These chips are not just about improving speed or performance, they're about preparing AI to handle much more complex and important tasks in the real world. The most exciting part is how these chips will be used across different industries, each benefiting from their massive computing power. Whether it's healthcare, self-driving cars, finance, or space exploration, these GPUs are set to make a huge difference in each field. In the healthcare industry, the Rubin Ultra and Vera Rubin Ultra chips are expected to speed up the analysis of medical data, making it easier to diagnose diseases early and more accurately. Imagine how much faster doctors can detect illnesses like cancer when AI models can quickly analyze large amounts of medical images, such as MRIs or X-rays. These chips will give AI the power to study these images and detect abnormalities that might be missed by the human eye. By providing healthcare professionals with accurate results faster, these GPUs could help save lives by catching problems early. They will also make it possible to develop better treatments and drugs by analyzing complex medical data more efficiently. When it comes to autonomous vehicles, the Rubin Ultra and Vera Rubin Ultra chips will play a key role in making self-driving cars smarter and safer. Self-driving cars rely on many sensors to understand their surroundings, things like cameras, radar, and LiDAR, which collect massive amounts of data. This data needs to be processed quickly for the car to make split-second decisions. With these powerful new GPUs, autonomous vehicles will be able to process that data much faster and with more accuracy. This means safer driving and improved performance. These chips will help self-driving cars better recognize objects, predict movements, and respond to changing environments, whether it's traffic on a busy street or obstacles on a narrow road. With Rubin Ultra and Vera Rubin Ultra, these vehicles will be able to make decisions quickly, reducing the chance of accidents and improving the driving experience for everyone. In the world of finance, these GPUs will revolutionize how banks and financial institutions analyze large amounts of data in real time. Financial companies often deal with vast quantities of data, from stock market trends to economic forecasts and customer transactions. With the Rubin Ultra and Vera Rubin Ultra chips, these companies will be able to process and analyze this information faster than ever before, leading to smarter investment decisions and more efficient operations. The increased processing power will allow financial institutions to predict market trends with greater accuracy, improving their ability to make profitable moves in the market. These chips will also improve fraud detection systems by allowing AI to recognize suspicious patterns and behaviors faster, preventing fraud before it happens. The ability to handle such complex data will also improve risk management, helping financial institutions avoid costly mistakes. Space exploration is another area that will benefit greatly from these advanced GPUs. Space missions, whether it's exploring other planets, studying distant stars, or observing black holes, generate enormous amounts of data. Scientists need powerful tools to process and analyze this data in real time, and the Rubin Ultra and Vera Rubin Ultra chips are up to the task. These GPUs will help researchers run high-resolution simulations of space events and analyze massive datasets from space missions. For example, they could process information from telescopes to study the formation of galaxies, or help analyze data from space rovers exploring the surface of Mars. The speed and efficiency of these chips will allow scientists to make discoveries much faster than ever before. With these GPUs, space exploration will become more efficient, allowing researchers to gain deeper insights into the mysteries of the universe. It will also speed up the process of developing new technologies for space travel and exploration, opening doors for future missions. If you're excited about the future of AI, Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech breakthroughs.